Oversure Gold stands out with Univestin, clinically proven to reduce pain, inflammation, and joint stiffness within just 5 to 7 days of use. Univestin helps joints move more smoothly and relieves pressure on degenerating joints. Aquaman F, an extract from red algae rich in calcium and minerals that helps maintain and protect bone structure. Aquaman F also aids in reducing inflammation and improving overall joint health. MSM, which nourishes and regenerates cartilage, helping to maintain flexibility and prevent long-term damage, a crucial factor for those with osteoarthritis.
Kalusugan ng mga buto at kasukasuan ay isa sa mga pangunahing issue na kinakaharap ng maraming tao, lalo na sa panahong ito kung saan tayo nahaharap sa mga panganib ng pagkasira ng mga buto at kasukasuan dulot ng hindi masyadong aktibong pamumuhay, kakulangan ng nutrisyon sa diet o epekto sa pagtanda. Sa hangaring magbigay ng epektibo at pangmatagalang solusyon mula sa kalikasan, ipinakilala ang Ovisure Gold, isang advanced vegan milk na hindi lamang nagbibigay ng masaganang nutrisyon, kundi isang revolusyon sa pag-aalaga at pangangalaga sa kalusugan ng buto at kasukasuan. Sa kasalukuyan, ang vegan milk ay nagiging mas popular dahil sa mga natatanging benepisyo na hatid nito. Hindi tulad ng mga gatas mula sa hayop, ang vegan milk ay nag-aalok ng likas ng plant-based protina, perpekto para sa mga nagnais bawasan ang pagkonsumo ng mga produktong mula sa hayop o para sa mga taong nahihirapang tumunaw ng gatas mula sa baka. Nauunawaan ang pangangailangan na ito, ang Ovisure Gold ay nilikha bilang pinakamahusay na solusyon para sa mga may sakit sa kasukasuan.
Univestin, a breakthrough ingredient for joint health. Univestin is one of the most advanced ingredients in the world for restoring joint function. Utilizing exclusive Vitalogics technology, Univestin is recognized as safe under the GRAS standard in the US and meets food safety management standards in South Korea. Univestin has been patented by WIPO and is certified by the US FDA for food safety. The Univestin compound is based on modern research of over 10,000 herbs and more than 300,000 extracted fractions. Scientists discovered and identified two plants that are most effective for joint conditions, Scutellaria bicalensis and Acacia catechu. From these two ingredients, scientists developed an entirely new compound Univestin specifically designed for people with joint issues. Clinical trials have proven that Univestin delivers significant results for joint patients within just a few days of use. It is plant-based, safe for long-term use, and free from side effects. Independent studies have demonstrated Univestin's remarkable ability to reduce general discomfort and support healthy joint function.